Programming for doctors. How to process patient information. Programming is the process of creating software applications using a programming language like PHP. Think of it like writing a prescription for a patient. You write the prescription to specify the medication, dosage, and how often the patient should take it. Similarly, in programming, you write code to specify what the computer should do. You use variables to store values, just like how you may use a medical chart to store information about a patient's vital signs. For example, you may use a variable in PHP to store the age of a patient. Conditions are like the tests you use to determine the patient's diagnosis. You write code that checks if a certain condition is true or false, and then performs a specific action based on that result. For example, in PHP, you may write code that checks if a patient's age is greater than 65, and if so, provides a specific medical recommendation. Arrays are like a collection of related items in a patient's medical history, such as a list of medications they are taking. In PHP, arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable, while loops and for loops are like the instructions you give to a patient on how often they should take their medication, while loops repeat a block of code as long as a certain condition is true, while